Hello, my name is Adam, and now we're looking at navigation in a 3D environment using Blender. In Blender, by default, the Z-axis is up and down, the Y-axis is forwards and backwards, and the X-axis is sideways or left and right. The grid in Blender is represented by a 1 meter by 1 meter standard grid. To navigate the viewport, we can hold the middle mouse to rotate the screen. We can scroll the middle mouse to zoom in and out. We can shift and hold the middle mouse to pan left or right and up and down. Holding control, then clicking the middle mouse, we can get a much smoother zoom than the previous one. And if we hold shift, then press C, we can center the screen and the cursor back to its original point. We can also use a numpad to navigate the viewport. Pressing 7 will take us to the top view, 1 to the front view, and 3 to the side view, making sure that we have turned on the numpad by clicking numlock. We can also rotate the viewport by clicking 8 for up and 2 for down. 4 is left and 6 is right. Each rotation will give us 15 degrees per rotation, 24 rotations in a full 360 degrees to get back to its original point. Or we can press 9 to invert the rotation. 5 will also toggle on perspective mode. Sometimes you might click this and wonder where the grid has gone. This is often because we've simply clicked 5 on the numpad. Here is a single page of all the buttons on the numpad, so you can download and print it. Now for a quick look at using some of the navigation hotkeys and tools in Blender. The middle mouse button rotates the viewport. If we click it and hold it, by scrolling the middle mouse button, we can zoom in and out. If we hold control and click the middle mouse button, we can get a much smoother zoom in and out, incrementing much more precisely. Holding shift, then clicking the middle mouse button gives us a nice pan. Left and right, and up and down. Pressing shift and C will take us back to the center point. Clicking 7 on the numpad gives us to top view, 1 to front view, 3 to side view, and if we click 9, it takes us 180 degrees to the other side. If we click 8 on the numpad, we are rotating 15 degrees upwards. Clicking it 24 times takes us back to our original point. Clicking 5 will now turn on perspective mode, and we now lose our increments in our grids.